Have you ever looked in the mirror and feel like you are not the same person anymore? After cancer, confidence can feel like something you lost along the way. But what if it's something you can rebuild stronger than before? I am Anna, counselor and cancer survivor, offering emotional support while you follow your medical team. First, let's look at the foundation of your self-confidence. What was it basing on? Your skills, your qualities, your personal traits? Some of those you still have. That's in your favor. And the ones you feel you have lost. How does that make you feel? Identify which ones they are and what they bring up in you. What thoughts? What emotions? Now think about this. What do the ones that are missing show you? What opportunity for self-discovery do they offer? Maybe you will notice new abilities within you, ones you can now develop. Perhaps when everything was fine, you didn't feel the need to explore other parts of yourself. Or maybe you didn't develop them out of comfort. This is about your inner capacity as a person, in your craft, or in your profession. When it comes to your self-imagine, setting aside what others might think, say, or what you imagine they could say or think. Just you. You with yourself. When you look in the mirror, what do you think of yourself? Do you feel rejection? Sadness? That's okay. It's normal. But after that moment, what decision do you make? Do you stay in sadness? Do you feel sorry for yourself? Or do you think this is just a stage? A process that takes time. Ask yourself, what can I do? Even something small to see and feel better about myself. And who gets to decide that you look good? Who is that person? Who decides that? It is about your physical condition. Maybe you can't exercise like before. Your body hurts. Your medication causes cramps. Ask yourself, with the right plan and mindset, could you progressively improve your condition? Maybe it is about changing from one physical activity to another, something more accessible and beneficial for you. Adjust your schedule, your training pace. Instead of planning for a few months, consider a year plan that takes into account your treatments and their effects. Opening your mind to the possibility of finding a solution that fits you is already a big step toward the change you want and need. And remember, sometimes people around us whether trying to protect us or acting from their own fears, might say things that hold us back or lower our self-esteem. But when you are in the front of that mirror, it's just you. Who gets to tell you that you look good? Who is that person? Who decides that? And always remember, you have the final say. It's your life. It's your decision. And if this video moved you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a little encouragement today. In the next video, I will talk about feeling loneliness alone during cancer treatment. Take care of yourself, stay positive, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.